Hey there, how's it going? I'm going to teach you a very simple error handling technique. Now, why would you need error handling? In some situations, you're going to have calculations that you apply. And for example, let's say you have a table. I'm just going to make this up, right? And this value is yet to be available because let's say it's date based. So I'm not going to have that value until next week. So if the formula equals this divided by this, and I have, thousands and thousands of rows. If I copy this down, this one's going to have an error. Okay. So I need a way to continue the analysis. So for example, let's say I had an auto sum function in there that sums up all the values. I need this to be 0 if this is blank. You can do an if function, but like a standard if, but there's also something called the if error function. So let me show you how to deal with that. So there's different types of errors in Excel. Sometimes you can have the divide by 0 error, which is the one we have here. You can have ones where it's not available or not applicable values, meaning sometimes you get it when you're doing lookups and VLOOKUPs and indexes where you're trying to search for something that doesn't exist and it says not available. Then you have this one, which is a bit mysterious that people tend to freak out about. Sometimes your number is just way too long, right? And it can't squeeze in. So it just tells it hash. That's not really an error. That's kind of more like a formatting issue. So don't let that one fool you. So to continue a formula like this, what you do is, with the formula, you have to put it into the if error formula. So if I go if error, right, and then you say what you want it to equal if there's an error. So in this case, I want it to equal 0. Okay. If it's not an error, then it will just present whatever the calculation is. So now your formula will continue. And then let's say next week rolls around, it's like, oh, this is a 2. It's so that your formulas will just continue and they'll just flow. So this isn't just restricted to numbers. It's also for the not available. So if I go if error, you can also put text. So let's say guest name not available. So let's say they haven't checked in yet, right? So you can use it for words. You can do it for calculations. There's heaps of combinations. So hope you enjoyed and see you next time.